In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Woocommerce orders in CSV, Excel, or PDF formats from the Wordpress panel. If you run an online store using Woocommerce on your Wordpress website, you know how important it is to manage and analyze your orders efficiently. Sometimes, the built-in functionalities just aren't enough, and you need a more streamlined method to export your order data. Thankfully, there's a plugin designed to address precisely this need, and I'm here to guide you through the process. First, head over to wordpress.com in your web browser. You'll begin your journey by logging into your Wordpress account. If you're not sure where to click, there's usually a login button on the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials here to access your Wordpress dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next step is to find your way to the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control center, where you manage all aspects of your Wordpress site, including Woocommerce. Navigate over to the Plugins section, which is usually found in the left sidebar of your dashboard. Within the Plugins area, you'll see an option to add a new plugin. Click on Add Plugin, which will lead you to a search bar specifically for plugins available in the Wordpress repository. Here, type in Advanced Order Export for Woocommerce. This plugin is highly recommended for its ease of use and comprehensive export features. Once you find the plugin, click on it to access further information and installation options. You'll want to proceed by clicking Install and then Activate to get the plugin up and running on your site. Activation enables the plugin to seamlessly integrate with your existing Woocommerce setup. With the plugin activated, direct your attention back to the Woocommerce section in your dashboard. You're now equipped to carry out the export process. Click on Export Orders, which should now be a visible option thanks to the plugin you installed. You've now reached the crucial stage of determining how you'd like your data formatted. There's a format option that allows you to choose between CSV, Excel, or PDF. Each format serves different purposes, so consider what best suits your analysis or reporting needs. For example, CSV and Excel are excellent for in-depth data analysis within spreadsheet software, while PDF might be preferred for straightforward reporting or archival purposes. And there you have it, a straightforward route to exporting Woocommerce orders from your Wordpress panel. This method not only saves time, but ensures that you have control over the readability and usability of your order data. Whether you're performing data analytics, sharing information with partners, or maintaining records, these steps should empower you to efficiently manage your Woocommerce data.